Hello, my name is Fer Pacheco, and I am the team lead for the Wolfsonian-FIU data visualization project for Capstone 2 this semester. Me and my teammates developed this data dashboard based on the museum's digital collection data set, and basically it functions as a way to visualize, which I believe over 100,000 data points worth of collection. The way that you can access the application itself, there's two different ways. The first one and the easiest one, in our opinion, is doing it straight up from the Versal app. This is an online website that we have already deployed, and it works independently whether you run it or not from your local environment. Just click the link like I did here, and it will load the actual application without needing to deploy anything. The other way, you can do it also from your local environment. You copy the HTTPS link like you would with any other GitHub repository, and you go into your IDE. You can close this repository and paste the link here as you would. I'm gonna put it into download since I already have it in the repo folder. So it's a brand new folder, and this will copy and clone the repository into your computer. The way that you can make sure that you have all the libraries needed for this project, you can do npm install, so npm I, on your terminal. This will take a couple of seconds, so just give it a minute to download the necessary dependencies and frameworks. Once it has been downloaded, you can choose do npm run dev on the terminal, and this will open your localhost 3000 address. You can run it or you can open it just by clicking on the link here given by the terminal, and this will open your local browser that you're using, like it's Chrome or Firefox or whichever you're set it to do. The Wolfsonian dashboard, or you can see that it looks exactly the same for both the virtual app and our local repository version. And it functions, it has the same layout as the Wolfsonian itself. If you click on any of these links, it will guide you straight up to the Wolfsonian website. And you go back, it will just take you back um, to the app itself. The application that we built has a brief description of what the project was, and with each item or each facet that you have, you will see different types of data visualized. Each facet or like category, we can call it, has a bar chart and a bar chart respectively. Each hold the same exact data, it's just a different way to visualize it. For example, if you want to see top items, a bar chart would be more adequate since you can easily see which is the biggest, like most common item in the data set. In this case, it's books. You can see alongside the charts, each facet will have its own description, which is specific to the facet that you choose. For example, if you choose classification, the description for this facet will change alongside the data that is displayed. And if you move between data between facets, sorry, you can see that there are animations for the graphs being shown alongside the personalized graphs and the descriptions. You can also see a featured item for the top category or the top most common feature being shown in this category. In this case, it's books. It's New York. So we chose an item being made from New York City. In this case, it was a poster called The Architect and Industrial Arts. You can click on that and it will guide you straight to the actual Wolfsonian website, and it will give you more information about the item. If you want to see a brief overview of the item, you can see the description below it, and it will change to each category that you choose. So if you click on the item, it will take you back to that item from the Wolfsonian. You can see if you click through all of the categories, you will see how these animations work and how the data shifts in between each category. Each category is different. For example, a lot of dates range very differently than if it were for these classifications, because there's more variability in between these data points. And yeah, that's about it. That's a project. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please refer to the presentation.